Now f a, then f a plus h, then f a plus 2h, and f a plus 2h, and thereafter plus what, f a, or you can write f a, that is we can write f a plus n minus 1 h, f a plus n minus 1 h, 1 minus h, f a 1 minus h, and we are giving in this, and we closing this one, that is fx limit fx dx, a from a to b, the interval h tends to 0, we are expressing as a plus a, f a plus a is f a plus 2 is dot, and then f a plus n minus, you could arrange it, it is 1 minus, that is 1 minus 0, that is 2 minus, that is that you will get a plus, it is 2 minus 1, it is n minus 1, it is 3 minus 1, it is n minus 8, this. So that is where nh equal to, it is where nh equal to a minus b, where n is equal to a minus b, or h a, this equal to b. And this method of evaluation, in the method of evaluating, the method of evaluating what, the function fx in the interval a to b dx, a to b dx, by using the above definition, that is, because the above definition is called integration from first principle, or there is a name of the limit of a integration as the limit of a sum, integration as a limit of a sum. So again I am explaining, fx be a continuous real value function defined in the closed interval a to b fx dx, can be written as, that is equal to, what is nh? nh equal to, what is nh? nh is equal to b minus a, that is h equal to a minus b by n. So that is equal to limit f a plus is f a plus 2 is f a plus n minus 1 into a is this, and the what is now, that is equal to the method of evaluation, or method of evaluating a to b in the interval fx, by using the above definition is called integration from the first principle. Now I am going to explain some formula or useful formula for this class only today. I have to write. That is why I am removing this part or rubbing this part from this board now. What? Some useful result for direct application. Useful or some useful result. Some useful result. Useful result for direct application. For direct application. What is this? We know 1, that is we are considering 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3, then is n minus 1 can be written as